Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay August 27, 2025 Wednesday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong August 27, 2025 Wednesday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Wednesday, August 27, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ng lumambasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for August 27, 2025, Wednesday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Wednesday, August 27, 2025. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of August 27, 2025, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.